€138 million for Morgan Rogers. Chelsea's British record buy set the tone for July, and the past 3 days piled new deals on top from London to Milan. This week, Chelsea went again and lifted Maxence Lacroix out of Crystal Palace for €60 million, pushing one club's summer spending well past €200 million already. Tottenham answered with a squad rebuild worth €267 million, handing Roberto De Zerbi both Sandro Tonali and Matheus Fernandes plus 3 experienced free transfers in one window. Sandro Tonali, Matheus Fernandes, Morgan Rogers, that is 3 midfielders priced above €90 million each, and proof the market's newest luxury item is anyone who passes forward. Italy refused to watch quietly as AC Milan broke their transfer record on Goncalo Ramos for €70 million, while Roma pulled Santiago Castro from Bologna for €35 million. The exits ran the other way, with Somerville joining Saudi side Al-Hilal for $64.5 million, while Casemiro swapped Manchester United for Inter Miami and a Florida farewell. Then John Stones closed a full decade of Manchester City service and signed for Inter, another champion of England choosing to write his final chapters on foreign turf. The rumour board is still crowded, because Real Madrid have reportedly agreed $100 million for winger Yan Diomande, while Arsenal circle Bruno Guimaraes and Inter push hard for defender Cristian Romero. Sketch the week onto a map, and the routes speak plainly. Stones to Milan, Casemiro to Miami, Somerville to Riyadh, and every receipt flying back to England. Follow the money and the gauge keeps climbing, because the selling clubs immediately spend those fees on replacements, every sale quietly funding the next bid in one closed loop. Pin every deal to one board and the real pattern appears. The biggest fees never left England at all, because the Premier League now mostly buys from itself. And that is why the stack of signed contracts finally topples. $138 million sounded absurd in July, yet by deadline day it may read like the bargain of the summer.